Hey, welcome back to SC Custom Designs. We are going to now route the groove on this side of the board. Look up previous video so you can see we talked a lot about the setup here, how I have this temporary fence set here, and I had it set up a certain way. And this time I did a quicker job. I just basically took an oak block here, an oak block here, clamped it down to my extended table here, and then I have this clamp in this little clamp here holding this to the block, and that's going to allow me basically to do this really long pass, and I'm going to do that live for you. I didn't do the first one live. I basically just wanted to get it done, I guess. So let's go ahead and do that for you. You're going to want to have ear protection for sure, because otherwise you'll be saying, "Huh, what?" All right, here we go. Obviously, if you're doing this every day, all throughout the day, you're going to want to have dust distraction, dust extraction set up, wear a mask, etc., etc. But trust me, this is just a real quick job. All right, project. So we have the two V lines now in here, like this, and we have the two mini V lines here at the top and at the bottom. And now we're going to be able to disassemble this simple little system, which I thought was, I wish I would have thought about that the first time around. But you know, you learn as you go. And again, if you're watching my videos for the first time, it's not what I do every day. I do this nights and weekends. We're the weekend warrior, SC Custom Designs. We didn't do any shows for obvious reasons in 2020. And if this continues into 2021, I think we're just gonna have to learn that we'll wear masks and have our shows, you know. So there you go. So that was my setup for doing that simple little thing. Now we're gonna stop the video, and this is a long minute. I'm gonna stop the video, and I'm gonna get this set up using the fence system where you just attach it to it. And now I'll be able to quickly just set it up and run and do all of these lines, which for the three sides. This here, if you follow the series, and please do follow the series from the very beginning, watching this thing be made from day one. This piece here is joined to this piece, all right? And this rail and this rail, these are joined together just with two screws. And it's very, very weak. Very, very weak. I'm going to be fixing that later on in the project, but I had to create this table so that I had something really steady. My workbench is under there, somewhere under there. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you shortly with the next one. Again, this is all a series. You can follow one after the other. Take care. Shalom, Wassalami.